Hi guys, we're having a Fast at 40 fun run this December 9 for Shakey's. We want to give back to the community for 40 years of being with us, in fun, family, and pizza. So we want to enjoy. We want to have everyone come and join the whole family. There's 15K, 7K, 3K, and a kiddie dash as well with the mascots that can run with your kids. So it'll be a fun day out. It's going to be our 40th anniversary, and we're also celebrating the opening of our newest store in Mactan Marina Mall. That will be towards the end of the month. So I hope we hope to see you there.
I'd like to invite everyone for Shakey's Run Fast at 40 on December 9. That's at SMCT. Registration is ongoing. All Shakey stores, outlets in Cebu. We have the category 15K, 7K, the 3K Family Fun Run, and the Kiddie Dash. Registration fees for the following businesses: 15K, 700 pesos, the 7K at 550, the 3K at 350, and the Kiddie Dash at 250. All of them will get a singlet like this, a race bib, one slice of pizza, and for the 15K finishers, they get a medal like this. For the 7K, they get a finisher shirt, and everyone will get a slice of pizza when you finish. So again, I'd like to invite everyone. See you there on December 9th.
Hi everyone, we would like to invite you for the Carbolone party. It will be on December 7th at Shakey's Festival, only for 199 hours. Thank you.
So guys, lingaw kayo ng Shakey's Run Fast at 40, December 9, at ito sa SM City. Managat na guys, lingaw kayo din. And hope to see you there!